Hello, I am Kaio, and this is Love Meditate. In this file, you may find yourself in the different form than you were before. Lie on the bed, or on the mat, or on the grass, in the position in which you are mostly comfortable. Remember, do not use a pillow. Begin to take hold of your breath. It might seem strange to you, but you can let it happen if you want. You will be safe in the end. I'm sure there have been many times when you have been sleeping or laying in bed, sort of drifting into that state where you are not sure if you are awake or not. Getting comfy, getting cozy, and closing your eyes, just enjoying the moment. The soft, warm sounds of my voice, maybe even doing a countdown, just a soft, gentle countdown into trance. You never know what would happen if you listen to the numbers passing you by, helping to relax. You may even be surprised at how easily you drift back into the sleep that was so comfortable before. Do you remember that feeling of being on the edge of sleep? So comfortably wrapped in blankets, feeling so soft and safe in such a familiar place. Then, as mind and body begin to let go and enjoy the wonderful flow of just letting things happen. 9. Some sounds begin to fade away until that we stay in just gentle breathing and sleep. 8. Relaxing further and further because it can feel so nice letting go. 7. Adrift in a state of relaxation, your body too heavy to move or too relaxed to care. 6. And at that point, every breath appears to just allow you to go even more into that state. 5. So sweet and gentle, drifting close to the dreams and sleeping so comfortably. 4. I should even lower my voice a little, letting you drift even more. 3. Who knows how deep your sleep becomes? 2. Let yourself drift down, on the way down. 1. And drop. Is this okay to let go? Right now you can just enjoy sleeping comfortably and cozy into your bed. And whatever happens next surely should be no more than just a dream. Imagine all that is left of your body is the white skeleton lying on the face of the earth. Maintain the half smile and continue to follow your breath. So, take a deep breath, and then when you exhale, imagine that all your flesh had decomposed and is gone, that your skeleton is now lying in the earth 80 years after burial. Soft sensations that round your attention just on the edge of sleep. Look around, see clearly the bones of your head, back, your ribs, your hip bones, legs and arm bones, finger bones. Yes, you're doing it. You're doing the right way. Maintain the half smile. Breathe very lightly. Your head and mind settings. See that your skeleton is not you. Your bodily form is not you. And also feel comforting. You are heading the right way. Like a passenger on the currents, be at one with life. Just for a moment, there is nothing there. No more thoughts. Into emptiness. The skeleton is gone. All skeletons gone. Everything is fine. So take a deep breath in and then out. Live eternally in the trees and glass, in other people, in the birds and other beasts, in the sky, in the ocean waves. Simply become. Your skeleton is only one part of you. You are present everywhere and in every moment. You are not only a bodily form or even feelings, thoughts, actions, and knowledge. You are more than this. Remain calm. Remain calm. Enjoy this feeling. Continue to see into emptiness. Be at one with life. Live eternally. Live in the trees. Live in other people. Live in the birds and other beasts. In the ocean waves. In the sky. In this universe. You are everywhere, and you are in every moment. Remain calmer, stay deeper, more emptiness, letting all go, but all stay. In a moment, there will be numbers counting off. And when that happens, you will slowly waken back where you start. If you left anything behind, memories, thoughts, piece of yourself, it's alright if you are forgotten. Then again, there was a strange comfort in being part of whatever that was. Thank you. 1, 2, slowly waking. 3, 4, more awake. 5, 6, almost there. 7, 8, almost awake. And 9, 10, wake and find yourself back where you were, as if it were all just a dream, possibly. Thank you.